Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if the Opera web browser is not loading or opening pages properly. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, go ahead and open up Opera if you can, and you're going to select the Opera icon up at the top left corner of the browser window. You want to select the Update and Recovery option. And now on the right side underneath Recovery, reset the browser to a default state. If the browser isn't running well, resetting it to default might help. You could choose to preserve your personal data and only reset settings or to perform a fully fresh reinstall. Select the Recover button. So you have a couple options here. You can either just keep your data and only reset Opera settings or reset my data and Opera settings. Go ahead and just select the first option here to start, and then you would select Recover. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and close out of the Opera browser. Again, if you were able to open it, and then you would just close out and reopen it. And then hopefully you should have been able to resolve the problem. If you are still having an issue with Opera, something else you could try as well. You open up the Opera icon again and then select the extensions. Select the extensions button. If you had any extensions in here, I recommend turning them all off and seeing if that was able to perhaps resolve the issue as well. So that's something, again, I'd recommend trying to do, and then that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem as well. You can also attempt to reinstall the browser as well, one final thing. So open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best results should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And in the apps list field, type in Opera. Best match should come back with Opera. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Uninstall. Select the Uninstall button, and you can select Reinstall. And hopefully that was able to resolve the problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.